Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a growing concern in today's digital world, as more and more individuals and organizations rely on technology to store, process, and transmit sensitive information. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated and frequent, it is critical for individuals and organizations to take proactive measures to protect themselves against cyber attacks. In this essay, we will explore the importance of cybersecurity and the steps that individuals and organizations can take to protect themselves. It refers to the protection of computer systems, networks, and digital data from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. Cyber attacks can take many forms, such as viruses, malware, ransomware, phishing, and hacking, and can cause significant damage to an individual's or organization's reputation, financial stability, and even safety. One of the most significant reasons for the increasing importance of cybersecurity is the growing reliance on digital technology. Individuals and organizations use technology to store and process sensitive information, such as financial information, personal information, and confidential business information. Cybercriminals aim to exploit vulnerabilities in digital systems to gain access to this information, which they can use for nefarious purposes, such as identity theft, financial fraud, or espionage. The consequences of a cyber attack can be devastating, both for individuals and organizations. For individuals, a cyber attack can result in the loss of personal information, such as social security numbers, credit card numbers, and login credentials, which can be used to steal their identity or commit financial fraud. For organizations, a cyber attack can result in the loss of sensitive business information, such as trade secrets or customer data, which can damage their reputation, cause financial losses, or even lead to legal action. To protect against cyber attacks, individuals and organizations must take proactive measures to improve their cybersecurity. This includes implementing strong passwords and two-factor authentication, keeping software and operating systems up to date, and using antivirus and anti-malware software. Additionally, organizations must ensure that they have a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy in place, which includes regular security audits, employee training, and incident response plans. Employee training is a critical component of any cybersecurity strategy, as human error is one of the most significant vulnerabilities in any system. Organizations must ensure that employees are aware of cybersecurity best practices, such as how to identify phishing emails, how to create strong passwords, and how to avoid downloading malware. Additionally, organizations must have incident response plans in place, which outline the steps that employees should take in the event of a cyber attack. These plans should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure that they are effective in the face of new threats. Another critical aspect of cybersecurity is the role of government and international organizations. Governments have a responsibility to protect their citizens from cyber threats, and many have established its policies and agencies to address these threats. Additionally, international organizations such as the United Nations have been working to establish international norms and standards for cybersecurity, which can help to prevent cyber attacks and ensure that cyber criminals are held accountable for their actions. Indeed, it is a critical concern in today's digital world, and individuals and organizations must take proactive measures to protect themselves against cyber threats. Cyber attacks can cause significant damage to an individual's or organization's reputation, financial stability, and safety, and it is essential to take cybersecurity seriously. This includes implementing strong passwords, using two-factor authentication, and keeping software and operating systems up to date. Additionally, organizations must ensure that they have a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy in place, which includes regular security audits, employee training, and incident response plans. Finally, governments and international organizations have a critical role to play in establishing international norms and standards for cybersecurity, which can help to prevent cyber attacks and ensure that cyber criminals are held accountable for their actions. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment and subscribe or follow in this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.